Hey guys, this is Matt Hedstrom again from Rehab Estimator Pro. Let's talk a little bit about the value of estimating repair cost, doing it accurately, and why this is so necessary. We've talked a lot about this, that there are two things that you cannot screw up in any deal. Number one being your ARV, which has everything to do with your comps, and number two, repair cost. Honestly, guys, we give so much attention to running comps and how to do it correctly, and there's really only one standard out there that anybody accepts, which is the MLS. But when it comes to repair costs, we're just winging it, or we're using some square footage number to do those repairs. Doesn't work, okay? Every house is different, just like every value of a house is different. Every repair cost estimate is different. This will eat you alive. Trust me, it has put many, many newbie investors out of business. One and done, we call them, okay? This happens to all of us. I don't care if you flip 1,000 houses, if you've already flipped, or maybe you do 10 a month, or you're doing your first one. This is always an opportunity to screw things up royally, okay? And we do it all the time. I'm dealing with one as well myself right now that went south on me. Things that we didn't consider, didn't see on the front end, or maybe they were buried. It happens. If you're in this business long enough, you will screw up deals. You will screw up your repair costs. We want to try and stop you on the front end and educate you with estimating repairs accurately. That's why we've created a tool that everyone across the nation is trusting right now, including many of these iBuyers out there. Having a tool that will properly estimate repairs and without a tape measure in less than 13 minutes when you're walking that house. It creates a checklist that helps you go through everything and then puts a dollar value beside it that you can trust, okay? No more making up numbers and no more hoping that it works out, okay? That is one of two parts of the equation that you can't screw up. So we want to give you a tool that will help you do it quickly and accurately, something you can trust, have confidence with, go out, sell it to others. If you're a wholesaler, give it to your lenders and they'll be able to trust the numbers. So, all right, get out there, guys. Use REP. It is the #1 source, trusted source for estimating repair costs in our business when we're flipping houses, we're buying rentals, whatever it is, man. Thank you. See you guys.